Hi, Heather here. I am going to do a live sort of review for you of Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting Liquid. I got it for free from BuzzAgent. Okay, so my normal skincare routine is at night I take off my makeup and wash my face with these Garnier Refreshing Remover Cleansing Towelettes. And then in the morning, I shower and wash my face with Clean and Clear Advantage. And then I use the Mary Kay Clear Proof Toner. And Paula's Choice, the directions say apply once or twice daily after cleansing and toning. So this would be the point where I use the Paula's Choice. Now, when I put it on a cotton ball and I feel it, it feels a little oily, and that's not what I was expecting. My skin already is a little bit oily, and so I don't love, there's no smell to it, but I don't love to put things on it that are more oily than this already is, especially because this is a new step. It's a completely different step for me. It's not replacing anything, it's just an addition. It's because it says lightly soak a cotton ball and apply over the entire face, including the eye area. Avoid the lower lash line and eyelids, so I'm not really sure what the eye area would be. Maybe just this dark place right here. Do not rinse. For daytime, follow with broad spectrum sunscreen rated SPF 25 or higher. So after that, I would use the Time Wise Firming Eye Cream, and then I use Time Wise Day Solution, and that has a broad spectrum SPF 35, so that will satisfy the requirement that Paula's Choice is asking for after that step. So I've put it on my face, and I'm feeling a little bit oily and greasy, and I don't love it so far. I'm gonna go put on my makeup and we'll see how it makes my skin feel after that. Feeling a little bit sticky, so far I'm not that excited about it so far, but we'll see. If it creates radiant, even-toned skin, reduces redness and builds collagen, and unclogs and diminishes enlarged pores, then I'd be happy to continue using it. So it's called Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid with salicylic acid for all skin types, and so I would fall into that all skin types category. It's also labeled as an exfoliant, which is interesting to me because usually for an exfoliant, I imagine little granules kind of scrubbing your skin, and this was completely smooth, a little bit oily, but again, completely smooth, so I'm not really sure how it exfoliates, but maybe that's, I don't know, with the cotton ball or something. It says it's clinically proven, non-irritating, 100% fragrance-free, no added dyes, and no animal testing. So that's wonderful. I would be, really excited if it unclogged and diminished the enlarged pores that I feel like I have in my cheek and nose area. My nose tends to be a little bit red. My upper eyelid area tends to be very red, but you can't use this on your eyelid area, so I guess we'll just be looking at maybe the nose area, see if that's less red, see if I have more radiant and even-toned skin in a few days or a few weeks, and I'll come back and I'll let you know how it goes. Hi, so here I am, same day, with makeup on, and I just want to let you know that I don't feel the greasiness that I did when I first put it on. I don't know if that's because of my makeup or what. I don't use a liquid base. I use a powdered foundation, and that's really all. So we'll see. Here we go. Well, hello, I'm back. It's about a week later, and I've been using Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting Liquid for a week, maybe a week and a half, and I'm here to show you my face to see if you see any differences. A couple things happened this week. I was out in the sun, so I got some redness on my nose and forehead. I had some breakouts on my cheeks and under my nose, and my eyes are obviously a little darker this week because I think because last week I was on vacation and well rested, and this week I'm back to work. This morning when I got out of the shower, I noticed some black around my eyes because I didn't get my makeup off very well. So all of that could be contributing factors. I'm very scientific, so I'm hesitant to say that Paula's Choice hasn't done anything for my skin, but I haven't noticed any huge differences. So the choice is really yours. I did look up what BHA is, and it is the exfoliant. They're saying that it is supposed to penetrate into your pores and remove the dead skin, and so therefore removing blackheads and shrinking your pores, and it's basically the miracle liquid that's in here. I was a little curious last time about the texture of it. It's in a container, if you can see that very well, that sort of reminds me of like a toner, because I would squirt this onto a cotton ball and rub it all over my face. But it feels a lot more, like it's a little bit oily. So I think I would consider this like a serum that you would rub onto your face in that manner. So I think the packaging is a little confusing to me, but it's more like a serum. So there you go. That's my review. I don't have a real strong opinion about it yet. I'm going to continue using it and see if anything else happens. I don't want to write it off yet because I don't think my breakouts were due to it. I get breakouts, so we'll continue trying it, and you can be the judge comparing my face after 1 week of use. See you later.